To connect 3Commas to Coinbase, you will need to follow a series of steps that allow you to link your Coinbase account to the 3Commas platform. This integration enables you to manage your cryptocurrency trades and automate your investment strategies more efficiently. First, you need to create an account on both 3Commas and Coinbase if you haven't already. On the 3Commas website, click on the Sign Up button, enter your email address, and follow the prompts to create your account. Similarly, go to the Coinbase website, click on the Get Started button, and follow the registration process. Once you have your account set up, log into your 3Commas account and navigate to the Exchange Accounts section. Here, you will see a list of supported exchanges, including Coinbase. Click on the Coinbase button to start the connection process. You will be directed to a page where you need to enter your Coinbase API key. To get the API key, log into your Coinbase account, go to the account settings, and select the API access option. Generate a new API key and ensure you select the correct permissions, which typically include view, transfer, and trade. After generating the API key, copy and paste it into the 3Commas API key field. You also need to enter the API secret, which is provided along with the API key on the Coinbase website. Once you have entered both the API key and the API secret, click on the Connect button to link your Coinbase account to 3Commas. You may be asked to confirm the connection on the Coinbase website, so make sure you are logged into the correct account. After confirming the connection, you will be redirected back to the 3Commas website, where you should see your Coinbase account listed under the connected exchanges. This indicates that the connection was successful, and you can now start using 3Commas to manage your Coinbase account and automate your trades. It is essential to keep your API keys secure to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. Never share your API keys with anyone, and make sure to limit the permissions to only what is necessary for the 3Commas connection. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely connect your Coinbase account to 3Commas and enhance your cryptocurrency trading experience.